Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good night to Sir Amirul. Today we are going to present about shipboard maintenance and repair.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Muhammad Nazri. My course is the MTM. Okay.
Hello, my name is Shari bin Muhammad Sohaimi, and my course is Maritime Transportation Management.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Shafi'i bin Ismail and taking the MTM.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Faiz bin Azian. I'm also from the MTM.
Hello, my name is Danish Murugan and I'm from the MTM student.
So firstly is the introduction, which is workshop non non-laboratory setting in which machinery and tools are employed. Each workshop must have a danger record that lists the individual machine and hazards in that location. The information is not meant to take the place of risk or hazard assessment. Second is all workshops and stores must be under the direct supervision of a supervisor who is responsible for ensuring that they are properly maintained and utilized. Only individuals who have been given permission may enter or work in workshops or stores. Personal goods, foods, drinks, and cigarettes are not permitted in workplaces or stores unless a clean, work-free area has been designated.
So next is on the workshop. Workshop is defined as a room or a place which goods are being manufactured or repaired. The materials are either stored or become a finished product, or sometimes the finished products deserve a treatment to have an improvement in their performance. And workshop has been exist since the Industrial Revolution, and it depends on the field. It can be either on automobiles or objects that are made from metal. And things to consider when building a workshop is to know what exactly the workshop is for and which field will it occur. Like what I mentioned, it could be automobiles, objects made from metal, and even for operational machineries to get their treatment. And next, when building a workshop, is to estimate the cost and time required for it to complete. This will also include the labor forces, labor payment, and the tools needed for them when they are completing their task. Last but not least, for this workshop, another thing to consider is to have enough facilities to store materials, assortment of equipments, especially after finish your duty, and a finishing room, which when goods are being produced, they are stored first and being prepared before deliver to a new place. Okay, that's all for me. Next.
Okay, so next slide is about safety. So safety is a protect human or properties from harm or damage. Safety is to protect the environment from existing hazard, especially when substance and tool of different features may spoil performance with different approach. Best safety is include the identification on types of hazard while having knowledge to handle it efficiently. It also to have knowledge of how is it happen and grow and how frequent or severe will it cause. The purpose of work conditions is to secure nearby subject from being exposed to risk and that the performance are not affected negatively. Measures already has a rule of organization to operate in safe conditions. The Measure Optional Safety and Health Act 1994 was introduced as a future further provision for safety, health, and welfare for people at work and protect any object in operation with the connection from damage. So I will pass to my friend. Next slide.
So for workshop safety, it is the combination of the definition of workshop and safety itself, but the thing to concern about this topic is that the health and safety rules and regulations are set, especially the need to avoid materials from being lost and humans from harm. Or in other words, it is to avoid any loss of valuable items or avoid men from being injured. A number of criteria is measured to match with working etiquette. This is so that people can work in a comfortable place, and this also does not only measure on someone's physical but also their mental health. That's all from me. I will pass this slide to my friend.
So I would like to explain about the prevention. So how doing fall, we must avoid doing work with the sharp objects and hide and chemicals substances when appliances are not fully worn or equipped. So second, we should keep the equipment in a safe place after being used, and we must switch all of the electric implements, appliance after operation hours. So equipments are tightened up and the room may be filled with gases. So I will pass to my friend.
Shafi.
So last but not least, for the conclusion, it is very important to have work safety and hazard prevention. It is important by the needs of implementing workplace safety program is something that the government, through Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, should prioritize. It is claimed that health promotion initiative improve employee health, boost staff productivity, and minimize work absenteeism. Also, the government, through the Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, should develop a policy to encourage the establishment of an emergency response plan in each school so that emergency situation receive the attention they need. Also, people need to urge for the government to manage development of training manuals for teaching staff safety and establish training forums in all 47 counties. Teacher also can take part by maintain their own safety by attending formal and informal meetings and reading safety material posted on the bulletin boards and in safety manual. So that's all from us. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, sir.